Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before we watching our video, I want to introduce my team member. Today, our group will discuss Chapter 8 about column in subject mechanics of material. Alright, what is your understanding about column? Easy words, column is the structure that placed vertical. Okay, for the others one, column is a structured element that transmit through compression that have the weight of the structure above two other structure element below. The others word for the column is compression member. Alright. Column have four types of column. First is both and pin. Alright. The second one is both and fixed. Third one is one fixed and one free end, and the fourth one fixed end, one pin end. Okay. First, we want to explain about both and pin. Alright. Today I want to explain about this type of column that we call both and pin. Okay. This diagram show that this column for the both and pin. Why we call both and pin? Because we have the top and bottom. They have pin here. You see pin. Okay. This column, you can see here. This column, we not apply the force. That's why we can see the column only saw the straight one. Okay. What happened when we apply the force for this both and pin? Alright. The force that we apply here at the top and the bottom. Okay. We can see what happened when we apply the force at the both and pin. This diagram for the column both and pin that we apply the force at top and bottom. You can see here we have the buckle here, that is column. Alright. We apply the force bottom and upper here, and the measurement for the length we can get from this both and pin, this length, top and bottom. Okay. From the easy you want to understand, I have bring the one specimen for you easy to understand. Alright. For the both and pin, alright, both and pin, this is before we apply the force, you can see here the straight line. Alright. When we apply the force, you take the top and bottom, then you push here. Then you see here we get the buckle from this column both and pin. That's why we call both and pin, and the length for measurement here and bottom, from top to bottom. Alright, that's all. Alright, next we explain about both and fixed.
Another type of column is both and fit. This picture show about before we apply force to the both and fit, and another picture after we apply the force. This from this point and this point is the effectiveness length. We conclude that effectiveness length equal 0.5 times length. Thank you.
Okay, the third one is one fixed end, one free end.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Next, I will explain about one fixed end and one free end. Why it's called one free end and one fixed end? Because for the column, the bottom part will be fixed and the upper one is free. So as you can see, if there is no load applied on the column, it will be straight and the measurement for the length is the same. Okay, what happens if we apply a load? This will happen, as you can see from the pictures. The column will be buckling, like buckling either side. Or if you apply to another side, it will buckling to this side. Okay. For the length, for the length of this column, as with buckling, the length will be multiplied by 2. Okay. For an easy example, I will also explain as my friend showed before. This is our example. If for this column, one fixed end, I will handle one, and then when you apply a load, this will happen to the column. The column will be buckled and the length will be times 2. That's all. Thank you.
Lastly, our type of column is one free end and one pin end. Thank you.
Okay, hello. Next, I would like to show you the next type of column. Okay, here we have a pin end and one fixed end column. Okay. When a force is applied on both on top and the bottom of the column, it will create something like this. Yeah. What happened here is when the force is applied on both, the column itself will become a slight bend, as you can see here. Let me show you an example. Okay. Here, this piece of plastic. Okay. Let's say we have a fixed and a pin end here. Where the force is applied on both of the side, it will create something, a bend, just look like this. Okay, just like this. Okay, what I want to show you is from the formula. You have to calculate the buckle, the length of the buckle above just the straight column, from here to here. The formula given is 0.7 times the length of the buckle. Okay, that's all. Okay, thank you.
Okay guys, this is the end of our video presentation, and we hope you enjoy our video presentation and you understand what we want to explain about this chapter, and we want head to our next destination. Okay, let's go. Bye.
Thank you for
Okay,
watching.
thank you for watching everyone.